AFM imaging and analysis of molybdenum trioxide thickness on SiO2 substrate with different spin coating speeds. Let's start with silicon wafer preparation. Cut the silicon wafer into the size of 1 cm by 1 cm. Put silicon wafers into the vial and fill acetone, then sonic it for 5 minutes. After the sonication is done, wash the wafers with IPA. Dry the washed wafers with pure nitrogen gas. Prepare the piranha solution by mixing hydrogen peroxide and sulfuric acid by 3:1 ratio. You should be careful when treating piranha solution. You must put hydrogen peroxide before sulfuric acid, and you should wear safety glove. Put the wafers onto the glass and pour piranha solution onto the wafers. Then wait for 30 minutes to clean the wafer surface. After piranha washing is done, the wafers are washed with DI and dried under nitrogen gas. Put the wafers into the plasma machine. Then press pump button to make vacuum. You can see the timer turns on when the pressure became under threshold pressure. Then press gas 1 button and open the oxygen gas valve. Adjust the gas flow to 15 sccm, then press generator button and wait for 10 minutes. While waiting for plasma treatment, let's prepare molybdenum trioxide solution. To make molybdenum trioxide solution, mix 0.2 grams of molybdenum trioxide powder with 10 ml of 40% ammonium hydroxide solution. Sonicate the solution for 5 minutes, then stir until the powder is completely dissolved. Put the plasma-treated wafer on the chuck of the spin coater and press vacuum button to tighten the wafer. Then drop the dissolved molybdenum trioxide solution onto the wafer. Close the lid and press start button to start spin coating. After the spin coating is done, turn off the vacuum button and take out the wafer. The wafer is transferred to the heating plate and heated at 250 degrees for 15 minutes for annealing. Let's see how to use AFM instrument. AFM device is located at 2nd floor of our A building, in the Biocore Center, Room A. Fix the sample on the slide glass using carbon tape. Turn on the computer, scan Ctrl-C, light source, anti-vibration table in order. Click CCD camera software on the monitor screen, then click File Capture window. Let down the Z-axis at most and focus with 10x lens, then load the slide glass. By adjusting the Z-axis, you can focus the sample. For the desired location, you locate the image by adjusting X-Y axis. Change the lens to 50x lens, and focus again. Once you finish adjusting the sample, pull out the handle to see the surface image on the monitor. When the image appears, adjust the Z-axis to focus. You can edit the image by using the editing functions on the left side. If you want to save the image, click the camera button on the right top side. Change the lens to cantilever tip. Click the AFM software on the screen. Click the Tip Approach button, then click the Automatic button on the Operating Point Adjust section. Then check the bar turned yellow and placed in the middle of the bar. Next, click the Frequency Selection button and Reset button. Click the Zoom Selection button to zoom in, and select the peak of the curve. Then click the OK button. Then click the upper button of the Approach Control section and see the equipment approach to the cantilever, tip, and stop automatically. Click OK button if you can see the Z-range bar locate near the 50% and turn yellow. Set the skin size, offset, angle on the XY control section. Also set skin speed. The total skin speed must be less than 40 micrometer per second. Click the single skin button. You can see the topography in real time. You can adjust the display sensitivity while scanning. After the scan is completed, click the Save button, and save the file as sysform. Click the image processing software on the screen and open the file. Click Tool Level Data by fitting a plane through 3 points. After clicking 3 points with same height, you can level your data. Click View 3D Data button, then you can see the 3-dimensional image of the sample. Click Level Data by Mean Plane Subtraction in Data Process menu. Then also click Flatten Base and Plane Level button in Data Process Level menu. You can flatten your plane. Click Extract Profiles along Arbitrary Lines button in Tool menu. You can measure the height of selected section. Click Extract Roughness Parameters button in Tool menu. Click Cut Off Parameter and select Roughness. You can measure the roughness of selected section. After data measurement is done, roll the Z-axis to move the plate down. Turn off any vibration table, computer, skin control C, light source in order. Now let's analyze our data. Compare the topography, root mean square roughness, and the height of the sample. We can see that when spin coating is done at higher RPM, the particle becomes smaller, rougher, and thinner.